National Electrical Code Section 346.11 addresses bends in conduit. This section applies to all raceway systems. This includes those containing communication cables as well as power conductors. The requirement limiting the total degrees of bends in a single conduit run to no more than 360 degrees applies equally to communication cables and power conductors. This limitation is in place to minimize stress on the cables during installation and throughout their service life. Excessive bending can damage the cable insulation or conductors, potentially leading to signal degradation, electrical faults, or even physical damage to the cables themselves. Firstly, exceeding the 360-degree bend limit increases the pulling tension required to install the cables. This increased tension can stretch or damage the conductors, compromising their ability to carry signals or electrical current effectively. Secondly, sharp bends can create localized stress points on the cable insulation. Over time, this stress can lead to cracking or breakdown of the insulation, increasing the risk of short circuits or ground faults. Thirdly, multiple bends in a conduit run increase the friction between the cables and the conduit walls. This friction can make it difficult to pull the cables through the conduit, potentially damaging the cable jacket or insulation. Fourthly, sharp bends can also create impedance mismatches in communication cables, leading to signal reflections and loss of data. This is particularly important for high-speed data cables, where signal integrity is critical. Fifthly, adhering to the 360-degree bend limit helps ensure that the cables are installed in a manner that allows for future maintenance or replacement. If the cables are tightly packed or excessively bent, it can be difficult to remove or add cables without causing damage. Therefore, following the National Electrical Code Section 346.11 ensures a safer and more reliable communication cable installation. It helps prevent damage to the cables, reduces the risk of signal loss or electrical faults, and facilitates future maintenance or upgrades. This requirement is a crucial aspect of proper cable management and is essential for maintaining the long-term performance and safety of communication systems. In summary, the 360-degree bend limitation in conduit runs is a crucial safety measure for both power and communication cables. It minimizes stress, prevents damage, ensures signal integrity, and facilitates future maintenance. Always adhere to this requirement to ensure a safe and reliable electrical or communication system.